Hello guys and welcome to the next video. In this video we will see how to install Git. So for installing Git you can write Git on the Google, and on the first link which you can see gitscm.com, you can click on that link and you can click this download button which will install for Windows, and if you are using Mac or any other thing you can use this options. I am using Git, so I can just click on this link and it will start the download. I already have this software installed download, so I will not download it again. So let me show how to install the software now. Here is the setup file. Just double click it and yes, rest of the installation part is quite normal. We are not going to make any changes. For a standard user, this by default settings should be enough. Just click on next and then install, and here it is. The download and installation of Git is completed. That's it, and the software is installed. And click on next. If you want to confirm whether the Git is installed successfully or not, you can open the command prompt and can type Git and press enter. You will get all these different kinds of options which you can use with Git. If you have had any problem while installing the Git, it will say Git is not recognized as an internal or external command error. So you can install it again following the basic steps. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.